Hi, my name is Attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas Truck Accident Lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation that they deserve when they've been injured by the negligence, recklessness, or intentional wrongdoing of motor carrier companies and or their truck drivers. If you've been injured in a Salle County truck wreck, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can go to my website at houstontruckaccident.lawyer. That's houstontruckaccident.lawyer and download your free ebook today titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, houstontruckaccident.lawyer, and download your free ebook today. Then give me a call at 713-766-3322. I look forward to discussing your personal injury case, as well as providing you with a free personal injury consultation and helping you receive the care and compensation that you deserve.